Hello, I'm Carl Bradge from Chaparral Motorsports here with Michael Lindsay, and today we're going to be taking a look at all of the 450 motocross bikes here behind us. Now, Michael, you just finished your 450 Shootout. That was a pretty big endeavor. Tell us a little bit about the Shootout first.
So I believe this is the 6th year I've done one. So I started at a large media website called Battle MX about 6 years ago. I mean, I was basically a kid that wanted to do it for a living. Didn't quite work out, made right to that cusp, and decided to find a way to continue to ride dirt bikes for a living. I'm really good technically, so I went on, did testing for a couple suspension companies, OEMs for a couple years, and transferred over to media. And then this is the first year I left out to do my own thing, so I have my own YouTube channel now, just kind of work on whatever projects I wanted to. And one of them was to continue to do shootouts, because I really, really value doing this feature every year. And for different reasons. I always have people who come to me and go, oh, well, does that mean I have to buy the bike that wins? No, I mean, everybody's got a personal opinion. That's why we do Shootout with multiple riders. This year I did it with myself and 4 people I've worked with quite commonly on these in the past few years, a range of vet guys, pro, small, big, tall, kind of try to give a wide opinion. Because ultimately the reason I do this isn't to say, oh, this one sucks or this one's good. It's to try to share all the characteristics about each bike. While every 450 here is definitely, I mean, they're so technologically advanced compared to just a few years back. Like how good all the bikes have gone stock is pretty amazing. I still know that everybody can find a bike that will suit them in a much different way. I have buddies every year that jump from OEM to OEM for a year. Every year they try to buy a new bike because they're looking for that certain feel, that certain what they want out of the bike. And it is really cool when you find the bike that suits you, whether it has characteristics that match what you're good at or support what you're bad at. It can make the riding experience that much better out of the box, whether you leave it stock or modify it. So that's why we go through the effort of doing this, not to slam on somebody's parade and say, oh, this one's crap or this one's good or something like that. It's mostly to just try to give you, the end user, if you want to go out and buy one of these bikes, that's why we spend days and days testing all these. That's why I sit down for, other than the main video, I sit down for almost a half an hour individually about each bike, going through all the riders' kind of notes and comments, because yeah, I say, if you're going to spend your hard-earned money, because dirt bikes aren't terribly cheap brand new these days, I want to make sure whoever's out there is getting the best experience they can with the bike.
There you go, Michael Lindsay, folks. So that's his 450 Shootout kind of intro, if you will. Take a look at our Chaparral Motorsports YouTube channel, and you're going to find a playlist with all of those videos that Michael's done. There are currently 8 up there as of today or tomorrow. There's going to be 9. So go take a look at the 9 videos for the 450 Michael Lindsay Shootout. Now today what we're doing is we're taking a look at each of these bikes, 2019 versus 2020. We're going to be talking about what makes this bike different or better or worse than the previous year. So stay tuned, take a look at that playlist as well if you want to know more about each of these bikes and what's new for 2020. Michael, thank you for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much for your time, sir.
If you like this video today, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.